bersama. Dan kami
senang, alhamdulillah senang. Senang dah dikasih bantuannya nak untuk makan, mudah rezeki, panjang umur dan selamat dalam perjalanan.
Makin jaya, makin berkiprah juga di Indonesia bahkan di dunia.
Juga berterima kasih hari ini, bersyukur dan berterima kasih pada tim Indonesia.
This is my first CIP with JR.
Every trip that we go, kita ada pengalaman yang we won't get anywhere else.
And it has been a really fun, tiring, and like what Sri said, it has been very emotional program.
Especially when I get to meet the orphans.
I'm really happy to see that the things that we give to the beneficiaries.
Thank you so much for the hard work, for the amazing job. MashaAllah, we did so much, but we're still strong.
When kita datang sini, we give our full commitment to them. Right?
So Izzaz, apa yang kita buat hari ini hanya sedikit the tip of the iceberg. Banyak lagi di Aceh, masya-Allah, kita belum pergi di kawasan jauh-jauh lagi kan. Di ujung-ujung, di pulau-pulau, ramai lagi orang susah. Kita belum jumpa lagi. But it's a good training.